In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom widgets and embed them in Notion. Whether you're building a personal dashboard, managing projects, or just want to make your workspace more interactive, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to add functional and visually appealing widgets. First, open your Notion workspace and go to the page where you want your custom widget to appear. This could be a dashboard, a project tracker, or any page where extra functionality would be helpful. Make sure you have the right page open, as this makes the embedding process much smoother and prevents confusion later. Next, click on your preferred widget creation platform, like Indify. Here, you'll find a variety of widgets, from clocks and calendars to weather displays and habit trackers. Customize your widget by adjusting the colors, size, and settings to match your Notion aesthetic and your functional needs. Take a moment to experiment until it looks just right. Once your widget is ready, copy the hosting URL provided by the platform. Once you've completed these steps, return to your Notion page, hover over a new line, and click the plus button or type / to bring up the block menu. Next, click on the embed block and paste your copied widget URL into the field, then click embed link. Notion will process the link and display your widget right in the page. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create and embed custom widgets in Notion easily and efficiently, making your workspace both beautiful and highly functional. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might want to enhance their Notion setup. Why not make someone's workspace more fun today?